As the day gracefully comes to a close, a sense of quiet calm settles over everything. Here, in this peaceful rural village, we find a place of pure tranquility. The village tank at sunset. The world slows down, the gentle evening breeze whispers through the trees, a soft soundtrack to the fading light. The air is still and sincere. Watch as the sun, beautiful golden orb, dips below the horizon. It paints the sky with a masterpiece of warmth, with vibrant colors, streaks of gold, fairy orange, and soft pink that reflect like a mirror on the still water. This is a moment of pure calm, a time to simply be present, to breathe in the peacefulness and appreciate the simple and minimal lifestyle in a rural village.